Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for this week's nail art look, I did some thermal floral nails, and I also used a layered stamping image for a floral print with some studs, Opal Chrome, half moon, negative space, everything's kind of going on here. So I started off with Madame Glam's Perfect White, just a nice white base color. And on my pinky and my pointer finger, I applied it in a half moon shape, and I did use binder reinforcement stickers for the first coat, but then peeled them off before I cured it and cleaned it up. And then I just kind of followed that template. And then on my middle two nails, I just applied a solid layer of white. And I cured the pinky and the pointer finger, but I'm leaving the white on the middle two nails uncured so I can put the rose in there before curing. So for color, I'm using Perfect Summer Soak Off Thermal Polish in the shade 46. And then I took that on a detail brush and just picked up a little bit and spread it with my brush. And since I got the uncured white down, it kind of like spreads out and makes a cute little rose kind of finish. And since the middle has more time to spread, it also kind of looks like an ombre rose since the ends end up darker than the middle. And you can also see as I'm applying it that the purple like turns to pink almost as soon as it hits my nail because my nails are warm. So that's the effect that it'll have, once they get cold, they'll turn purple. So pretty simple here, just put a piece of polish, a dot of polish in the middle and then spread it out on both sides. And I mean, that's about it. So once that was applied, I cured that in my lamp, and then I'm taking no wipe top gel and regular top gel. So I applied the no wipe gel over the white nail so I could put chrome on, and then the regular top coat over the middle two nails just to completely finish them off so I don't end up getting chrome on them and ruining those, because that would suck. And on the no wipe top coat, you want to try to make sure to coat everything as evenly as you can so it's not super bumpy and the chrome will go on smoothly and evenly. And once that was cured, I removed the tacky layer from the middle two nails, and then I'm taking Luxa Polish Opal Chrome on a silicone applicator tool. So first I'm applying liquid latex, making sure to go over the half moon so that I cannot have chrome down there and it will be nice and a nice negative space finish. And I'm applying it by taking chrome on the tool and then dragging it upwards so as to not move the latex too much at the bottom. And then I just rubbed in all the chrome, making sure I covered everything, especially the free edge. Pretty self-explanatory, you can see what I'm doing here obviously. And then I did the pinky the exact same way. I really do think this is super pretty, like the reflective kind of pink and blue undertones depending on what light you're under. It's super pretty. Then I dusted off the excess and removed the liquid latex before applying another layer of no wipe top coat just to keep it all intact. And then I applied another layer of latex so I could do the stamping. So same thing here, make sure that you cover the half moon well and just follow that line. Then I'm taking UberChic 12-03, starting off with white for the base of the roses, and then pink for the middle petal part, and then green for the leaves, which the leaves are the hardest to line up out of anything. But I just kind of checked what spot I was stamping from so I could do the same on all three images. And then I removed the liquid latex and cleaned up the polish that's around my nails so I can have a nice smooth finish. And then once that was done, I'm taking another layer of top coat, just a regular top coat this time, to seal in the stamping. And then I took some gummy jelly on my cleanup brush. I just put that in the center of the half moon so I could attach a little stud there. And then I applied yet another layer of top coat to attach the stud with. So I just picked up the little studs on my crystal katana, and then I just placed it right where I wanted it. And I took the top coat brush just to make sure I go around the edges so they're all sealed in. And then once that was cured, I removed the tacky layer. And then I'm showing you here how it shifts when it's cold. You can see it goes from pink to a nice dark purple. It's kind of a blurple, I guess. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.